Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing umbrella kurti or top with high-low hemline. You can pair it with leggings, denims or wear it as a dress. Just need to make variation in lengths accordingly. So let's get started. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. I'm using 2.5 meter rayon fabric. Fold the fabric by half in length. Now hold one corner and join it to the diagonally opposite corner like this. And this will be the length of the top. Taking this edge as starting point, mark measurements as we mark on the regular top. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch, so half of it would be 6.75 inch. Neck width is 3 inch. Mark half inch downward for shoulder slope and join it to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch for my measurement, deducting half inch as this is sleeveless top. I'll just extend this point. From the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch, shoulder to apex, 14 inch shoulder to waist and 21 inch shoulder to hip. I'll just extend these points. Now I'll mark round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. So 31 plus 2 is 33 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For bust, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, bust is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, I'm adding 4 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist is 28 inch. 28 plus 4 is 32 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8 inch. This is loose fit kurti, so I'll extend waist point till bottom. Now it's your choice how loose you want it. I'll just mark baseline. And now I'll mark high and low lengths, which are 36 inch and 46 inch respectively. Added 1 inch for seam allowance. Now I'll join both lengths with a slight curve to the extended line. And now we don't need to mark hip measurement as it is loose enough. You can check the measurement. Now from this point, mark 1 inch inwards and join it to the shoulder slope point. And now I'll draw the armhole curves. Lastly, I'll draw neckline shape. Neck depth for front is 7 inch. Again mark neck width point. And neck depth for back is 5 inch. Join these points. For back, I'm making round shape, and for front, I'm making curved V-shaped neckline. So marking is complete. Now I'll cut it. cut front hemline, separate the back. Fold it again. And now cut it. And I'll cut the front armhole curve and the front neckline as well. So cutting is complete. Now I'll stitch it. Firstly, I'll finish necklines. I'm using facing from the same fabric to finish front neckline and bias tape for the back neckline. I have shared the same in my earlier videos, so I'm just skipping this part, and I have shared the links for the same in the description box. You can check it out from there. So I have finished the necklines. Now I'll stitch shoulder slope on both sides. Now I'll finish armholes with the bias tape as I did for the back neckline. Place the bias tape on the armhole, right sides together, and make a stitch. Make small cuts all around the armhole. Now fold it like this and make a stitch on the inner edge of the bias tape. Now I'll trim the excess fabric. Turn around the bias tape and make a final stitch to secure it. Similarly, I'll finish other armhole. So I have finished the armholes. Now I'll finish the bottom of the top. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. So I have finished the bottom. Now I'll stitch the side fitting seam on both sides. And with this, my top is completed and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.